Welcome back. In business news, Nigeria has officially slipped into a recession as the Statistics Office announced a further contraction in the second quarter of the year. For the details, Africa 54 business correspondent Jill Malandrino joins us live from New York. Hi, Jill.
Hi, Vincent. So Nigeria's GDP contracted by 2.1% and inflation accelerated for the ninth consecutive month in July to 17.1%. That's up about 0.6 since the last reading and the highest rate since October 2015. Nigeria suffered a revenue squeeze after oil prices slumped by half since mid-2014 and crude exports fell by over 20% in the second quarter, compounded by militants in the Niger River Delta that blew up pipelines and reduced output.
Now, we know that the Naira has been plunging for the last few months. This obviously had an impact, right?
Right, that's right. This was exacerbated by the Central Bank of Nigeria's currency peg that led to lack of dollars in the economy, which hurt foreign investment and liquidity conditions. The Naira remained at the record low of 4.18 per dollar, which it hit on Tuesday on the black market. The slump in oil, 70% of Nigeria's revenue, as well as the shortages of foreign currency and power, could cause the economy to shrink 1.8% this year. Now, that's according to the International Monetary Fund. That would be Nigeria's first full-year contraction since 1991. In an interesting twist, President Buhari was partially in power when Nigeria faced a prolonged recession from 1982 to 1984. He served during 1983 to 1985.
Now, ideally, there will be natural fluctuations between growth and contraction in the economy. What are the near-term expectations for Nigeria to get out of a recession and then back into the expansion phase?
Well, Nigeria's government expects its economy to perform better in the second half of the year. That's according to the vice president's office. It said growth rates are likely to improve in spending on projects, and the results will start to yield. In addition, if it can be believed, the Niger Delta Avengers, the group claiming responsibility for most of the attacks in the last few months, said on Monday it had ceased hostilities, although there are splinter groups also claiming responsibility as recent as Tuesday. But here's my concern. Nigeria's non-oil sector also declined by nearly 40 basis points, and that suggests that the country's problems are bigger than oil. Stabilizing the Naira and removing and relaxing import bans and replacing them with tariffs would help reduce product prices. This puts more money in consumers' pockets, which encourages spending, and that's what helps any economy grow.
Jill, thank you very much.